got to undo that. That is a Torx 40, and we will come down and undo that one, and that is a Torx 50. So these that you take off, that one off of the tailgate and that top one off of the body. We won't use these again. The new bits will replace those. Once you've disconnected that, you can just go around there, spin that and pull that off like so. Makes life a bit easier when you're connecting it to that. On the end, the cable just goes over that recess before the nut, and then that will screw into the body like that. That's on like so. The strut goes on like that, making sure this is in front of that, and then that circlip goes on there like that, and I'll push that on like so. I've just held that on there just to pull that strut out. The bracket goes on there like that. There's a little lip under there, so that sits under there, and that countersunk hex head goes into there. That's a H6, and then I'm just going to add this split pin from underneath